It's wonderful being on like a hands-on crew and everything where you can go and really make a difference, and when you drive by something like on the freeway, you can point it out and be like, I did that. One of our mottos is miserable conditions, and they definitely hold up to that. We're out here in the sun, it's definitely very hot, but it's wonderful to be outdoors and to soak it all up. It's great to learn all the power tools and you get that experience. It's a lot of fun. It gives you a lot of options into like Caltrans, the fire departments. It's just a great foot in the door for a lot of careers and everything. Get to work outdoors, working with a lot of power tools. And if you have a great attitude, then it's a lot of fun. So I've just been looking into trade programs and learning how to do things by hand. So that's been a great thing about the Seeds is you get to learn so many projects and everything. I learned how to build trails and can easily go into construction as well, things like that. So it's just a great branching off into a lot of stuff.